Hi, it's Anthony here. What we'll do with this video is I'm going to have a look for a trade opportunity that you'll be able to trade today, maybe through the London or the US session. So we'll have a look at the charts and I'll find a setup. Now, before I do, I just want to quickly show you this channel down the bottom of my Discord. We've got futures, Forex, and crypto. Just want to show you how easy and how successful these trade ideas that I'm posting in here are. And in this video, we're going to find an opportunity, and it'll be similar to what I'm posting in here. So what I'm doing, let's have a look at this Euro Aussie. That's the idea. We're looking for a little pullback and take the next sell signal. 30-minute chart on this one. That's it. Euro Aussie 30-minute chart. Wait for the retrace. Take the next sell signal. It's as easy as that. Oh, and you can take it on, you can set it up on a 15-minute chart if you want to be a little bit more aggressive. That's it. And I'll post this through the Asian session so that it's available into the London or the New York session. So this blue line is the Asian session. So in the video, we're going to do something similar to this. I'll find an opportunity for you. So all you need to do is just come in and set the alert like I've mentioned here. And, well, that was the Aussie yen. That was a buy signal. That was another idea. I said just take the next buy signal. That was nice. The Euro Oz, take the next sell signal. There it is. Just when it fires, take the trade. Stop loss up in the high of the red zone. And the little blue dot is your TP. I'm going to suggest to close 50% at 1R and trail it down until you see these alerts. And you can set all this stuff to go off in TradingView. This is incredibly successful. Worst case scenario, look, I think we've had 3 stop losses in the whole history of this. Because what will happen is if, I'll just scroll up and show you. Yeah, this is an example. So NAS 100 set a bearish alert, 15 minutes time frame. No bearish alert, no trade. It's so easy to follow. And so if you're trading the London or the US session, here you are. It's handed to you on a platter, guys. Pass your prop firm challenge with this. Get funded. Grow your account. We're having an enormous amount of success. It's either the signal's there, take it. If the signal's not there, there's no trade. And I think, as I said, 3 or 4 stop loss hits. I mean, this has been going for a long time, and you can go back and look at the history. That's all we've had, negative. So high success rate. So we're going to find an opportunity. Oh, and the other thing that I wanted to mention was we've got this futures channel. This is going to be the official futures channel from now on. We were doing it in Telegram. It's all going to happen in here. And oh, look, I posted this video today, scalping NAS and the euro dollar live trading. If you want to trade manually, this is the video to watch. Right, so you've got the best of both worlds. You've got my ideas that go in here that you can just run with. And I mean, even if you're trading the futures, if you're trading like a proper valuation and it's either, Forex, or you might be trading a futures, you can trade, like if this is the euro, if I post a euro dollar or an Aussie dollar or whatever in here, you can trade the futures equivalent to the currency pairs. And that's no issue there. All right. So take the opportunity, guys. It's everything anybody trading Forex dreams about. Okay, it's right here. All right, so let's have a look and see what we've got. This was closed. This was another one. Oh, this is one I took in my Telegram channel. My Forex Telegram channel is specifically suited to automatic auto copy through TS Copier. Right, so I closed it here. And now, we're heading into the London Open, so I thought, yeah, just knock that one on the head. Nearly 1R gain, so we'll just leave it at that. Well, here we go. Look, Euro Aussie, I would say that's an opportunity. So how to get involved with this? Well, it's trending. Let's just go to a 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Right, so this is an opportunity for today. So this trade's closed. Let's just clear everything. It's trending, and I'm just looking for another entry short. That's it. Okay, we'll just make this really easy. In fact, before I do, Just a quick look on the higher time frame to check to see what we've got behind us. It's pretty overextended. See through here? All right. Bit of analysis. Grab the anchored volume profile, throw it in back there. And all right, so it's traded through this value area down to the value area low. So that is a strong support zone, okay? If you're into volume profile, you might understand that this value area high and value area low. So we'll just go today, value area low. Well, that is a value. It's not, that's actually officially, this is the value area low here officially, but I'm just looking at this particular range through here, right? So then you've got that and the high, that these will act as a strong support and resistance. And I'm thinking this trades back into value, right? So it's seeking value, all right? It trades out of value and then it'll go into price discovery until it finds another value area to be, well, to work itself out. Smart money steps in. They either accumulate shorts or longs, right, in these areas through this area here. So it's going to go to a 4 hour. Let's have a look at it. You know, and see with this now marked up, we can, yeah, it goes way back. All right. We can throw a volume profile just in here and just pick up this more recent. Yeah. Okay. So it's really stretched out, and I'm thinking that we see it pull back. Now it's Wednesday. The thing with Wednesday, I've noticed quite a lot. More often than not, we see a really aggressive reversal on Wednesdays. Now, I mean, the war in the Middle East has thrown a spanner in the works, and we're seeing aggressive reversals Mondays and Tuesdays nowadays, okay? But Wednesdays has been notorious for aggressive reversals. All right, so you just want to be a little bit careful. Pick up an anchored VWAP and look for a significant high. Take it back. Well, you know, you could pick these up, right? So you've got this level here, and we'll grab this one as well, right? 3 distinct levels. We go down to, actually, we'll go to another chart, say this one here, the 30-minute. Those VWAP levels will stay there. And I've got my indicator here. Look at these sell signals. If you have a look at that video that I posted today on scalping, we look for these. We wait for the setup. You know, we have a plan. Like I'm saying, don't take that sell signal right now because we're heading right into the London Open. You want to catch these, for example, when it trades back, anchored volume profile. Let's just say, okay, let's just say we retrace. See, now I would want to get involved up in here. So the sell signal I'm looking for is going to be on a pullback, and then it starts to rotate. And the beauty of these, oh, actually, I've got these set really aggressively. That's a 15-minute. It's very aggressive. This is a 30-minute. It's not so aggressive. I'm going to make this one available again. I did take it off momentum sync, but it's such a good indicator. So I'm going to say to you, look for the pullback. And look, if you don't have the indicators, here's another way to get involved, right? Look for the rotation, and then we take it. Now, it's easy to spot. We just do that on the pullback. Just take all this stuff. Wow, we'll just remove that, right? And here's what I'm looking for. Exactly this. And then when it starts to rotate, I'm looking for a sell signal. Now, if you don't have the indicators, well, it's very simple. It pulls back and you can draw a line. It's easier if you got the indicators because you can just set the sell alert and leave it alone and let it go off on your phone. And then just, you know, what you can do is you can actually set the short position ready to go and leave it over here, right? Set the alert, the sell alert to go off. So this is a 30. I might even consider a 15, but set the alert to go off. And then when it does go off, set it up so it goes off on your phone. Then come into your phone and you can just grab that with your finger and move it to the spot and then right click and, you know, your trade's ready to go. It's as easy as that. You're going out for dinner with your friends, you get the alert on your phone through TradingView, and then, you know, you're in. All right, so my thing would be wait for the pullback, 30-minute chart, and take the next sell signal. Now, at the moment, as I said, this one here is not available. I've taken it off because I'm wanting everybody to get into this one. Okay, so wait for the next sell signal. That's it. Following the trend. Now, here's the thing: if and this is for tonight, London and New York. If it doesn't, if it trades back, here's the thing. Here's the problem. If you don't have the indicator, then the indicator. See how it gives you the when it starts to break here, and this one here gives you a signal. Well, it usually gives you a signal on a pullback. Like if it trades down and pulls back, it'll give you the signal. And you want to catch this as it's just starting to rotate. So the beauty of the indicators is that you can rely on them pretty much to get you into that rotation. Right? We'll take that out because you don't have access to that. But to get you into that rotation at the right time, so you don't even have to think about it. Okay, so the Euro Aussie, wait for the pullback. Set a sell alert for the short. That goes into my VIP. And you've got all the time in the world, okay, to come into your TradingView, set up the alert, and get ready to take the trade. Here I was. Okay. Set up a sell alert, wait for a pullback, and take the trade if the alert fires into the London or the New York session today. And that's all there is to it. One more thing we need to do. So we're talking Euro Aussie. We need to be careful, all right, because we've got Euro data coming out here. Oh, in 34 seconds. Okay. And then later on, well, we've got this German 10-year bond auction. Yeah, I mean, look, this could support the trade. I think it's going to pull back because it's traded into a big support zone. So just be careful you don't get too trigger happy down in here, right? That is an area to be careful. So what you do is you plan the trade based on a 4-hour time frame pullback, and then you set up the alerts accordingly. So that's just a day trade. And if you're interested in scalping, well, if you go up here to Forex Trade Idea, this is the video, guys. Watch it all the way through because I get into the nitty gritty. This is live trading. I'm trading two prop evaluations, and that's how I'm doing it through this strategy in the video. Jump on board. There's a 7-day trial. Oh, you don't need the gold, which is 7-day trial, but $49.95 after it, unless you want the auto copy, the Telegram signals. But I'm suggesting just go with the silver, which after the 7-day free trial is only $29.95 a month. So shout me lunch, guys. And you've got access to, I've been doing this for a long time. So there's a lot of experience. I've made every mistake that you can think, that you can imagine. And I offer a lot in my videos. It's really good value. So with that, have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.